it's Miss Milesi. I'm going to be explaining what happens to a word when you add the suffix ending ed. What happens to the meaning of a word when ed is added? It showed the action that happened in the past. This is called the past tense. For example, I have the word look. I want to change this word into the past tense. So I need to add the suffix ending ed to the end of the word, and it changes it to looked. You can see the suffix ending ed has changed this to an action that has already happened. I'm now going to play a game. I have laid out some cards without the suffix ending ed and words with the suffix ending ed. I'm going to choose a card and then match it with the suffix ending ed and use this word in a sentence. I've got the word bake. What do I need to do to change this word into the past? That's right, I need to add the suffix ending ed to change an action that's already happened. So it's changed the word to baked. I'm now going to use this word in a sentence. I baked a cake with sprinkles on the top. Another example. I've got the word smile here. What do I need to do to change this word into the past tense? That's right, I need to add the suffix ending ed on the end, and it changes the word to smiled. I'm now going to use this in a sentence, something that has already happened. Yesterday, I smiled when I saw the sun in the sky. Another example. I've got the word chop here. Again, what do I need to add on the end of the word to make it into the past tense? Yeah, that's right, the suffix ending ed, and that has changed the word to chopped. I chop my vegetables for my dinner. I wonder if you can play exactly the same game by laying out cards without the suffix ending ed and then cards with the suffix ending ed, matching them together and use them in a sentence. Maybe you could practice writing your sentence down. Remember, when you want to change a word into the past tense, you need to add the suffix ending ed to the end of it. Thank you for listening.